This is the LastSwab. It's the world's first reusable cotton swab. It's sanitary and easy to clean with a dab of soap. It comes in two models, one patterned for cleaning and another designed for touch-ups. LastSwab can be used thousands of times. The materials are soft and flexible. The rubber gently removes dirt, grease, and makeup. Traditional cotton buds and other single-use plastics will be banned in the coming years. These common bathroom objects are often flushed down a toilet and are a serious source of marine pollution. We use 1.5 billion cotton buds every day. It's time to switch to the LastSwab. LastSwab comes with a carry case, so you can take it on vacation. You can also use it at work. Or you could bring it on a date. And it comes in different colors, so you know which one is yours and which one is theirs.
Thanks for pledging.
Thanks for switching to LastSwab.